I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Bennett Ranch Bulls. This is Mr. Wells with the morning announcements. Today is Wednesday, October 4th, 2023. Thought of the day. You don't learn to walk by following the rules. You learn by doing and falling over. Richard Branson. A warm, buttery bun with sugar, honey, and cinnamon. Sweet treats are made of these, and who are we to disagree? Now, on National Cinnamon Roll Day, held annually on October 4th, you can indulge yourself. Everyone loves cinnamon rolls, and everyone has their special favorite. All over the country, people bake and enjoy various types of cinnamon rolls on this day. Whether you buy them or bake them, on National Cinnamon Roll Day, let the sweet times roll. Lunch today is mac and cheese or sun butter and grape jelly sandwich, garden bar, fruit, milk. Weather today is a high of 62 degrees and partly cloudy. This week is parent-teacher conferences, and Friday is the PTA Fall Carnival. There is an assembly this afternoon in the Annex Gym starting at 2 o'clock. We are on the afternoon assembly schedule for Explorers. Here are the classes and the times that they go to Explorers. Everyone have a great day, and remember, Bulls lead the way.